What does it mean when a town grows up around the water? Not because of industry or shipping, but simply because people wanted to be here? Alberta Beach is one of those places, a community that exists because of the pull of the lake itself. Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. In the early 1900s, this stretch of shore along Lac Ste was just another quiet spot in Alberta's parkland. Then the Canadian Northern Railway built a line through the area and suddenly it became a destination. Workers in Edmonton were offered excursion trains on weekends, carrying hundreds of people out to the water for a break from city life. What started as a picnic ground quickly turned into something more permanent. The Alberta Beach Hotel soon followed, opening in 1913, serving visitors who wanted more than just a day trip. The shoreline filled with summer cottages, many of them built by hand and passed down through families, and some still standing today. For decades, the town's rhythm was tied to the trains. The whistle on Friday meant the weekend crowd was on its way, and that's the quiet answer to the question of how a resort village becomes a town. Alberta Beach wasn't founded on farming or mining or even oil. It was founded on leisure, on the simple act of people coming out to the lake and deciding not to leave. Today the trains are gone, but the reason for being here hasn't changed. The hotel is long since closed, but the main street still carries the easy pace of a resort village. About 900 people live here year-round, but in summer, especially on the long weekends, that number can swell to 3,000. Shops, cafe, and the annual Snowmo Days festival keep the village lively, but it's still the lake that brings people back, season after season. Alberta Beach remains what it always was, a place built around the lake, shaped not by what people worked for, but by where they chose to spend their time. A town created by weekends, now lived in every day. So if you enjoyed this little journey, give that like button a tap. It's free and oddly satisfying. If you haven't subscribed yet, just know I share a new small town story every week, weather permitting, of course. Feel free to pass this along to your aunt, your neighbor, or that one friend who still thinks Alberta ends at Calgary. They need this more than they know. And you'll find gradient imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, because apparently I'm not busy enough. But until next week, drive safe, wave at strangers, and take the scenic route.